In Java, classes serve as blueprints for creating objects. Objects are unique instances of a class, each with their own state and behavior. The class defines the attributes and methods that an object can have. To create an object, we use the new keyword followed by the class name and parentheses. We can then access the object's attributes and methods using the dot operator. Let's consider a simple class called myClass. It has a private integer variable called myField. We can access this variable using getter and setter methods. The getter method, getMyField, returns the value of myField, while the setter method, setMyField, allows us to set its value. This is just a basic example of a class in Java. To create a class in Java, use the keyword class followed by the class name. Classes should be named starting with a capital letter and follow camel case. The class body is enclosed in curly braces. To create an object of a class, use the new keyword followed by the class name and parentheses. The object can be assigned to a variable of the class type. To create a class in Java, use the keyword class followed by the class name. Classes should be named starting with a capital letter and follow camel case. The class body is enclosed in curly braces. In Java, class members are variables and methods that are declared inside a class. Variables are used to store data of different types, like integers, floating point numbers, or strings. Methods, on the other hand, define actions or behaviors that an object can perform. They have a name, a return type, if any, and parameters, if any. Let's take a look at an example. This is a class called myClass. It has a variable called myVariable, which is of type int. It also has a method called myMethod. Whenever this method is called, the code inside the method will be executed. Constructor overloading is a feature in Java that allows a class to have multiple constructors with different arguments. Method overloading is a feature in Java that allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. In the given code snippet, we have an example class that demonstrates constructor and method overloading. It has a default constructor and another constructor that takes an integer value as a parameter. It also has two methods that set the value of the value field, one taking an int parameter and the other taking a string parameter.